Hello friends, today we are going to study flow of control if else in decision making in programming. Suppose we want to break the program in two parts, in two uh, decision making part, like if and else. Take for example, suppose we want to write a program where an user will be allowed to enter his name and age, and if the age is greater than 18, then the computer uh, will show him, display a message that he is allowed to vote. Otherwise, if his age is less than 18, then the computer will prompt a message that he is not allowed to vote since his age is less than 18. Okay, so we are breaking the program into two parts, like greater than 18 and smaller than 18. So this is deal with if and else statement. Okay, so if will be taking one decision will be going in if, and if that statement is false, then the else will be switched on. Okay, so let's have a look at the program. So enter your age. B is a variable equal to the assign operator. Input like we are inputting the data in it. So enter your name. Okay, so it's a comment. Okay, that will be display, that will get display on the screen. And since Python data type is string itself, so we are not mentioning here string. Now there is second variable a, where we will be sending the integer value, your age. So if a is greater than 18, then print v dot upper. Upper means whatever the name you will be typing, irrespective of small cap or a large or a capital or small letter, the message will the code will always take it as a capital letter. Okay, in the else statement, if the age is less than 18, then it will show that you are not allowed to vote. Okay, so let's run this code. So got a prompt, enter your name. Suppose I enter my name Amit. Then enter the age. Suppose I entered 17, so I will not be allowed to vote. Oh, Amit, you are not allowed to vote since your age is equal to 17. Okay, then again run the code. Write Amit, then write 78, allowed to vote. Okay, very simple program for showing if and else statement. Okay, and suppose we are dealing with multiple if and else. For example, we want a code where we can calculate percentage of a particular student. Suppose a particular student got some marks in some subjects. Okay, so what our program will do, it will calculate the percentage of the total percentage. Okay, the student will be asked to will be asked to enter subject marks one by one, and then our code will show the percentage, and it will show the division as well, like whether suppose he got above 90%, so it will be showing outstanding like O. If 80%, then A, greater than 80%, then A, in that way. Okay, so these are the like grading system. Okay, fine, let's run our code. So this is our code. Okay, simple, like a simple age a variable will enter the mark for English, then B is a math, for C is Hindi, then percentage equal to A plus B plus C divided by 300 and 200, Then we'll put the grading system here. Okay, if percentage 90, then since we are using multiple else, so we'll be using elif. Okay, and all the other apart from this, everything will go in if statement. Okay, if apart from this, if the child gets something, he'll consider as failed. So suppose we get 67, then 89, then 90. So the percentage marks is getting is 82 and grade is B. Okay, fine. Then let's come with while loop. So while loop is mainly considered looping for true and false. We have a condition. If the condition satisfied, then while loop will get executed. Okay, otherwise not. Okay, so simple code for a while loop. Suppose this is the code. If I equal to 10, if I less than 20, then print I plus 1 means I starting from 10, then it will print the first value 10, then it will increment 10 plus 1 11, then it will again go to the first condition while 11 is less than 20. Yes, is less than 20, it will print 11, then again it will be 11 plus 1 12. It will go on comparing until it reaches value 20, and since 20 is less greater than 20, so it's false, then it will not print value of I anymore. So we will get the value of I from 10 to 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. These are the output statement. Okay, fine. Then there is a for loop. Suppose we want to run our loop on a range, any range, like it can be a number from 1 to 11, 1 to 100. Suppose we want to print a number from 1 to 100, so we have mentioned the range from 1 to 100. So we will be applying for loop and on that. Okay, so for loop can be applied on dictionary, list, tuple to iterate over them. Okay, let's write a simple code for I in range 1 to 101. I is a variable. In means we are including range from 1 to 101. So range function we are using, it means that we are considering the number from 1 to 100. Since range function decreases the last range, so we need to increase it by 1. Okay, it will be 1 to 101 for range from 1 to 100. Then print I number, then we are printing the number one by one. Okay, so we will get the output in this way. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 up to 58. We'll get much more than that. We'll get up to 100. If you run the code, we will get it from up to 100. Okay, fine, got it. And if you want to find the even number, okay, so we will run this code. We'll add here even number. It will be for even number. Okay, it's the 2 3 4 5 division of from 1 to 100. Okay, fine. Okay, let's add a simple code where we'll be asked to enter your name and your password, and if the name and password matches with the name and password mentioned in our data, then you will be welcome. Otherwise the program will show that you are entering a wrong password and a wrong username. Suppose I mentioned here Amit Amitabh, Ajay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It will show. What is showing here? Wrong password. Okay. Again, let's run the code. Let's see. Let's put here Amit. MIT 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong password. So let's check what is 1, 2 Amitabh. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now do it yourself. Write a code to calculate simple interest and write a code to count number 2 in this number, like 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 2. There are 3 2's, so we need to write a code which will count number of 2, okay, within this number. So let's write the code to calculate simple interest. Okay. Now the formula for simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100, where P equal to principal, R equal to rate, and T equal to time. So let's start. Let's see, equal to input. Since it's an integer, so we'll mention int input enter principal. Okay. Then do one thing. 2 brackets, then copy it, paste it 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, 2 times. Then here will be time, then here will be rate. Then time. SI equal to P into R into T by 100, then print SI. Print SI, that's all. The principal, suppose I mention here 10,000, 1,000, then time will be like 2 years, 3 years, then rate will be like 10. Then we got the output or not. Let's check. What is the output? This is the output. So principal will be like 1,000, in time will be 3 years, in rate will be 10, then the principal will be 300. Okay, let's make it more interactive. Look at appears more interactive. Okay, fine.